In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize customer data in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your contacts, shape the list to show what matters, and save that setup so you can jump back to it anytime. First, head to the Contacts area. You can get there by clicking CRM in the left-hand sidebar and selecting Contacts. If you prefer, you can also use the search bar at the top left and type Contacts to go straight in. Once you're on the Contacts page, you'll see a list of everyone recorded in your HubSpot account. Each row represents a person, and the columns are the key details you're tracking. From here, the real organizing begins. Use the tools in the list to sort, filter, and make the view work for you. Filters are especially powerful. Narrow the list by contact owner to focus on who you're responsible for. Filter by create date to see new additions. Check last activity date to surface recent interactions, or hone in on lead status to prioritize outreach. You can apply multiple filters together, and your results will update right away, helping you zero in on exactly the contacts you need. Sorting complements filtering. Sort by create date to see the newest records first, by last activity date to catch up on recent conversations, or by any other property that helps you work smarter. Sorting ensures the most relevant contacts appear at the top, saving you time. Next, tailor what you see with the columns. Edit the columns shown in the list to display only the properties you care about. Keep it clean by removing fields you don't use, add the ones that are essential to your workflow, and arrange them in an order that tells the story you need at a glance. A focused list helps you scan and act faster. Once you've set up your filters, sorting, and columns, save this configuration as a view you can return to. At the top of the list, click the plus icon in the tabs to create a new view. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, and save it. From now on, that view will preserve your filters and sort order, making it easy to pick up right where you left off without rebuilding the list each time. And that's all. With filters, sorting, tailored columns, and a saved view, you've turned a basic contact list into a reliable, reusable workspace for your customer data in HubSpot CRM.